I've been working with ETL for a while now, but I'm not sure I understand the difference between ETL and ELT. Can you explain it to me?
Sure thing. ETL and ELT are two approaches for integrating, processing, and preparing data for analytics and reporting in a data warehouse environment. The primary difference between them lies in the sequence and location of the data transformation process.
Okay, that makes sense. Can you explain ETL in more detail?
With ETL, data is extracted from the source systems, transformed into the desired format, cleaned, enriched, and made ready for loading. This transformation process usually happens in an intermediate system, often a staging area or another type of processing environment. Finally, the transformed data is loaded into the target system, usually a data warehouse.
Got it. And what about ELT?
With ELT, data is extracted from the source systems and directly loaded into the data warehouse without any transformation. Once inside the data warehouse, the data undergoes transformation. The advantage here is that modern data warehouses are designed to process large amounts of data efficiently, making the transformation step faster and more scalable within the warehouse.
That sounds interesting. What are the key differences between ETL and ELT?
The primary differences are the processing location, tools used, performance and scalability, and use cases. In ETL, the transformation is primarily done outside the data warehouse, while in ELT, the transformation is done inside the data warehouse. ETL is often associated with traditional ETL tools like Informatica, Talend, and SSIS, while ELT is associated more with modern cloud data warehouses like Snowflake, BigQuery, and Redshift. ELT can leverage the power of modern cloud-based data warehouses that can scale horizontally, making transformations faster for large datasets. ETL may be limited by the resources of the ETL server or tool. ELT is more suitable for scenarios where the data warehouse is powerful enough to handle large-scale transformations, and raw data needs to be instantly available. ETL is better suited when the transformations are complex, require extensive cleansing, or when using a traditional RDBMS as a data warehouse.
Thanks for explaining that. What are some best practices for choosing between ETL and ELT?
It's essential to understand that neither approach is better universally. The choice between ETL and ELT depends on the specific needs, infrastructure, and goals of a particular data integration project. Some best practices include evaluating the data sources, the size and complexity of the data, the required performance and scalability, and the available resources and budget. It's also crucial to consider the expertise of the team and the compatibility with existing systems and tools.